Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, and good morning. And as we think about, just saying, hey, welcome back to the Family Reset, Daily Steps to Strengthen Unity. Today, I really kind of want to talk about something that either build up or tear down our homes is our words. And I know I said some stuff about words before, but the power of speaking life, the word that when we speak over our children or pray over our children and our spouses and even ourselves, we can shape the atmosphere of our homes. Proverbs 18:21 says the tongue has the power of life and death. That means that every word we speak is either planting seeds of love and encouragement or causing harm and division. And so today I challenge you to be intentional with your words. Instead of criticism, speak encouragement. Instead of frustration, speak patience. Tell a family member something uplifting today. Maybe I believe in you or I appreciate you. And watch how their face lights up. Because words have power and we get to choose how we use them. Let's reset our families by speaking life into each other's every day. See you tomorrow and for another step of words of strength and unity. And when we think about really speaking into somebody, not only just tell them to uplift them, tell them what a special gift God has for them. The Lord our God has made you to be this amazing individual that goes and serves others. And you're going to do it to his greatness, and you are going to be fantastic at it. Speak that into your family each and every day. All right, we'll talk to you tomorrow with another Unity. Talk to you soon.